3. Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be going over what the print function is in Python. And simply put, print is the function and it'll go ahead and return a value, whatever you enter within the parentheses. You can use either double quotes like I'm using, or you could go ahead and use single quotes if you wanted to. But yeah, so whatever you enter within the print function, it'll go ahead and print out. So for this example, I'll just use hello world, and then we'll go ahead and enter also like a number, and this number would be an integer. So we'll go ahead and run it, and then we're getting the string hello world, and then we're getting the integer 3. So print, what it'll do is it'll just print out really whatever you could think of typing into the parentheses right here. Print's useful for if like you want to create a character in a video game and you want the character to go ahead and say something, it'll go ahead and print out, or it'll output whatever it is that you enter into it. Print can also do math, so we'll go ahead and do like 7 plus 10, and then we can go ahead and do, let's do 9 divided by 3. And then also we'll do another 9 divided by 3. We should expect to get a float value for this 9 divided by 3. And then this division should be pretty straightforward. I'll show what I mean by float though. So yeah, so you can see that the print function will go ahead and return everything as is. So 7 plus 10 is 17, 9 divided by 3 is 3, and this is the float, and then 9 divided by 3 again, not float. And what I mean by float is, for example, float will just pretty much print anything after the period, like the decimal point. So for example, if we do 22 divided by 7, whoops, we'll change that up. It'll go ahead and return, I believe, 3.14. Yeah, so it'll return pi. But yeah, so with regards to like the print function, it'll go ahead, it could do math, it'll print out an integer or a string, and sometimes even a string can be a number can be a string just by doing that. So we've put single quotes, it'll still print out the same thing, but Python will read this string, this as a string, and then this one as an integer. So yeah, so pretty much the print function will go ahead and print out whatever argument you want to place into the parentheses, and it's really quite simple. It's one of the first things I learned with Python programming. So yeah, so hopefully you learned something with this video. If you did, please feel free to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.